Hello, third grade, and welcome to our iLearn prep for today. Please make sure that you are on the correct skills place value number 1, and we'll go ahead and begin. Now, number 1, it says to connect the standard form numbers to their base 10 block representation. So standard form is in number form over here. And our base 10 blocks, these squares are 100 squares. These bars are tens bars. And these x's are ones. So which one of these standard forms shows 2 in the hundreds place? Right, I see a couple of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the tens place. All right, so this is 2 and a 7. Let's check the last one. And 3 in the ones place. 2, 7, 3. So I'll drag and drop. You might need to do it a couple times to see if yours will work on your screen. Sometimes drag and drop is a little funky on these. Now I'm going to do the next one with you, and then you'll fill in the next two. So this one has 2 in the hundreds place. All right, so I have 2 options here. A 3 in the tens place. Oh, they both have a 3 in the tens place. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the ones place. Well, this one has all of those. Go ahead and fill in for these next 2. Pause the video if you need more time. We'll go on to number 2. Select the standard form of the base 10 block. Now I'll help you with some of the place values, and then I want you to choose. So in the hundreds place, it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the tens place, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the ones place, we have 4. Which number shows these base 10 blocks in standard form? Choose your answer now. Did you choose this one? That's correct. Go ahead and click Next. What is the position of the underlined digit? That means what place value is it in? Ones, tens, hundreds, or thousands. Go ahead and choose your answer. Then click Next. Describe which digit lines in each position in the given number. So what place value is the 9? Ones, tens, or hundreds? That's in the hundreds place. What about the 6? Yep, that's in the tens place. And the 3 is in the ones place. Click Next. What is the value? Ooh, this is a key word. Value of the underlying digit, not the place value, but the value. What is this one worth? Well, I know it's in the hundreds place, and it's a 7. So that would be 700. This 7 is worth 700. That's the value of it. Then click Next. What is the value of the underlying digit? Remember, value is how much it equals. Well, that's in the tens place. So if I counted by 10 8 times, that would take me to 80. This 8 has a value of 80. Click Next once you have that typed in. Pause the video if you need more time. Number 7. Which of the following is correct expanded for 593. I'm going to click on my scratch pad because I like to write it out first and find the place values. I have my ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Go ahead and write that out now. I'm always going to start from the left and go to the right. So I first have 500. I'm going to write that number out. Plus, how many in the tens? 9 tens, which takes it to 90, and 3 ones. So which one shows that answer? Well, that's D. That's the last one. I'll click on the scratch pad and select D. Go ahead and click Next. Connect the standard form number to their expanded forms. I'm going to click on the scratch pad again. And I'm going to write these into standard form. And the way I like to do that is write out my place values. So I have my ones, tens, hundreds, and then I'll plug in the numbers. So this first one, well, I have 200, so I'll put a 2 in the hundreds place. And I have a 7 in the ones, and nothing in the tens. Which one matches this number? Yep, it's the second one. Drag and drop. Then click on your scratch pad. And we'll try the same with the next one. Our next one has a 400, 9 in the tens, and 6 in the ones. Which one is 496? Oh, there it is right there, the third one down. Go ahead and drag and drop 491. On to the next one. 2 in the hundreds, 1 in the tens, and 7 in the ones. Which number matches this one? Well, nothing matches this one. So I'm not going to match that one up at all. That one's just going to stay on the side. Go ahead and erase, because this gave us one answer that we do not need. An extra one. All right, let's look at this last one. I think I mixed them up. I need to do the top one still. We have a 6 in the hundreds place, 5 in the tens, and 2 in the ones. Yep, go ahead. That matches our top one, 652. And finally, for the last one, we'll look at this top one. We have a 7 in the hundreds place, 1 in the tens, and 3 in the ones. That matches down here, 713. Once you're done matching them up, go ahead and click Next. Select the inequality that is true. So remember, this sign right here means less than, less than. So which one is showing them in order from least to greatest? Go ahead and choose your answer now. Look very carefully at each digit. pause the video if you need more time, and you can use the scratch pad if you need more help. And finally, number 10, order the following number set from least to greatest, from top, greatest on bottom. So when I am organizing numbers like this, I first like to start with the largest digit. So that would be the thousands place. Now it looks like I already have them in order. Actually, it looks like they have them all in order. Least at top, greatest at the bottom. Well, we'll double check. So I have 4. Yep. Then I go to the next one. 0 and then 1. Yep. That would go smaller and then larger. And then the other ones do not matter. If they are different digits, the rest of it does not matter because it's already larger. Let's check with the 8s. 8 is both in the thousands place, and then 2 is smaller than 3. So this number is smaller than that number. I don't have to look at the other ones. So this is already in order from least to greatest, smallest, largest. Once you are finished with all of them, you may go ahead and click Submit. Oh, let's go back and see what we did here. I think I just didn't finish answering them. Yep, so as long as you have answered those ones that I marked for you, you'll be good to go and you can move on to your next activity.